Hi, today I'm here to talk about a project I'm working on, an ERC20 standard token. Now, what is all the mumbo jumbo I just said? To put it simply, a token is a cryptocurrency, and a cryptocurrency is a digital currency we can use online. It doesn't exist in real life, it only exists in the digital world. Now, the best example I've heard so far is basically, think of it like this. You have Canadian money, you have American money, and then for the digital world, you have cryptocurrency. You can't use either of them for either of the other tasks. Very simple, right? Thing is it gets complicated really fast. Right after you learn about cryptocurrencies, then you have to get into the world of blockchain. Now, blockchain is crazy complicated. But to give another dilated down explanation of it, blockchain is when you take some information, you use cryptography to encrypt it, and then you store that data on a block. And then basically what it does is it says each block gets published around a minute. Now, you might be saying, block? Chain. So how do they chain it? How it works is each block has a hash. Now, the hash is just a random series of numbers and letters. But the thing is what the block does is it points to the hash before it and its hash. So say I'm going to introduce block 100. The block 99's hash is, say, 103. So I would say 103 is the hash before it, and this hash is 104. This doesn't seem very complicated, right? But as it goes on, it becomes crazy hard to delete all of this data. But there's one more big feature. Digital ledgers. Now how this works is everyone who's running Bitcoin or Ethereum or any form of cryptocurrency will have a digital ledger which you can look at as a notepad. It writes down all the transactions and everything that's been going on a cryptocurrency. For example, say you sent some Ether to your friend, and that data was put into a block, which was then put onto the blockchain, and now everyone has access to that block. But the thing is no one can read your personalized data. Only people with your private key and your private access code can use your hash. Now, let's get into the dazzling world of ERC. Now, to put it simply, ERC are tokens, which are cryptocurrencies, but there are many different standards. Now, let's say you wanted to use ERC 720. Now you might say, what? How? What even? So there are a bunch of different standards, and each of those standards have different things they do really well. For example, the ERC 721 standard is basically one for one-time tokens. Like say I wanted to tokenize my glasses or something. I could make a token for them and I would make it non-fungible so that it doesn't exist in multiple copies. But that's another topic for another day. Now, the standard I'm using is ERC 720. The standard I'm using is ERC20. Now, ERC20 isn't that complicated of a standard. It's a basic token that you can create many of, and then you can do other things. Now, the ERC standard is used for Ethereum. Now, Ethereum is a major cryptocurrency player, and what it does is it allows you to deploy code to their blockchain. Isn't that crazy? Now, because you can deploy code to their blockchain, this means that you don't need to have all the computing power and everything to make your own cryptocurrency. Now, Now that I have a way to publish it that's really fast and easy, I know what standard I'm going to use. The next step is to code it. Now, Ethereum codes in a language called Solidity, which is pretty similar to JavaScript, so it was really easy to learn. Now that you have all of this experience and stuff, I added one more feature to solve my problem. Now, the one feature that I added was making it a stablecoin. Now, a stablecoin is a cryptocurrency that's tied to some form of real-world value. I can do this using Ethereum's pays and a bunch of other algorithms. Basically what this does is it lets a buy-in rate and a buy-out rate, which is really simple because it's all online. And what this allows you to do is it allows you to send money at ridiculously low prices compared to all the ones we have known today. For example, Western Union. You're sending $1,000, they'll charge you $40. Ethereum, you send it through my token, you send 40 of them, each of them which would be equal to $1. Boom, only 10 cents. It's crazy. Now, the possibilities of tokens are endless, and more videos are sure to come. But as of now, thank you for watching. If you want to read my article on this, it'll be in the description, and have a great day.